Alright, so I'm doing this video for two-step equations. So we wrapped up with our one-step equations, and now we're going to build on those. So your two-step equations is basically a combination of the both of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by adding or subtracting, and then we're just going to follow the steps for the multiplying and dividing one-step equations. So I'm going to walk through 4 with you, and then I'm going to have you try 4 on your own. Okay? So this first one is 4y plus 1 equals 13. So we're still going to do just like we did before. Here's my variable. Let me create my two sides. So remember, we want to start by adding or subtracting. So this is 4y plus 1. So let me get rid of this because I still am trying to get my variable by itself. Okay? So these are going to cancel, so I'll just have my 4y equals 13 minus 1 is 12. Now, this takes me back to my multiplication, right? So now I need to make this 1. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Those are going to cancel out, and I got y is equal to 3. Let me go back and check my answer. Well, if y is 3, do I get the right answer? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 is 13. So I know my answer is right. Okay? So it is our one step. We just got to do something before we start. Alright, so let's do this one. Here's my variable. There's my two sides. I'm going to add or subtract first. So this is saying 6x plus 2. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. And I have 6x equals 26 minus 2 is 24. Okay, still finding my variable. 6x equals 24. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Those are cancel out. So now I have x is equal to 4, because 24 divided by 6 is 4. Let me check and see if it's right. So I got 6 times 4 plus 2 is 26. Yeah, that's 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So I know my answer is right. Good, right? Alright, I'm going to do 2 more with you. So, again, here's my variable. I'm going to create my two sides. Remember, I'm looking to add or subtract first. This says negative 3 equals 5x plus 7. So let me get rid of this. So we got 5k equals negative 3 and negative 7 is a negative 10. Remember, the signs are the same. Keep the same sign and find the sum. Alright, there we go. We'll go ahead and divide both sides by 5. This is going to be my k. Negative 10 divided by 5 is a negative 2. Remember your sign. Be careful. Let me check it and see if it's right. Negative 3 equals 5. Negative 3 plus 7. I'm sorry, that was a negative 2. Negative 2. So that's my negative 10 plus 7. Don't forget my negative 3. Negative 10 and a positive 7. The signs are different. I'm going to keep the sign of the bigger one and find the difference. Negative 3 and negative 3. So I'm good. Okay? Alright, last one I'm going to do. I'm looking at add or subtract first. It says 7 equals a negative 3c minus 2. So I need to add or subtract first. Let me get rid of this. Sorry. So we got negative 3c and 9. There's my variable. I'm going to divide by negative 3. Remember, I'm dividing by whatever number is right there connected to it. Now, these cancel out. Positive 9 divided by negative 3. I'm tripping. Is a negative 3. Okay? Alright, let's check it and make sure it's right. So 7 equals negative 3 times negative 3 minus 2. Negative 3 and negative 3 is a positive 9. Minus 2. That's not supposed to be right there. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 is equal to 7, so I know my answer is right. So, you can go back, watch this again. I'm going to give you a couple that I want you to try on your own, and then we'll go through the answers. So remember, you're looking to add or subtract first, and then follow your steps. So go ahead, pause the video, and you try these. Okay? Stop the video. Start it back once you're done. Alright, ready? Okay. Now, so here's what you were supposed to do. So, you subtracted first. Then you got negative 8p. Then you divide it by negative 8. Negative and negative gives you a positive. We checked it to make sure that we're right. Then you got this one. I'm looking at add or subtract first. So I subtracted 12. And with a negative 9r equals a negative 36. Negative 36 divided by negative 9 is going to be a positive 4. Remember, when you're multiplying and dividing, the sounds are the same. You're going to have a positive answer. So we put it in, check our answer. Yes, negative 24 is negative 24, so we're good. Okay? Alright, so here's that one. I'm looking to add or subtract first. So I'll get rid of this 7. Leaves me with 28 equals 4b. Divide both sides by 4. 7 is equal to b. Let me put that in and see if it's right. So I got 35 equals 7 plus 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. 35 is 35, so we're good. Alright, last one. I'm looking to add or subtract first, so let me get rid of this. Then I got 48 equals 12z. I'm going to divide both sides by 12. And I got z is equal to 4. Put it in. See if it works. 12 times 4 is 48. Minus 18 is 30. 30 is equal to 30. So we're good. So, again, we're looking to add or subtract first, and then go ahead and follow the steps for our multiplying and dividing one-step equations. So yes, it's two-step, but it's something we know how to do, okay? So we're going to get started on this next week. Log into your book, give it a try. It's in chapter 8. Have your parents shoot me an email if you have any questions, okay?